Understanding, backup and restore, in the digital world. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very practical topic that many of you might encounter while using computers or smartphones. We're going to explain the phrases backup and restore. Understanding these terms can save you a lot of trouble if you ever lose your data. Let's get started. When we talk about a backup, we're referring to the process of copying or saving data from your computer, smartphone, or any digital device to another location. This can be an external hard drive, a USB flash drive, the cloud, or any secure storage space. The key idea here is safety and precaution. By creating a backup, you ensure that you have a second copy of all your important files, photos, videos, and documents, just in case something goes wrong with your device. The importance of backup cannot be overstated. Imagine losing all your precious memories, important documents, or work projects. It would be a disaster, right? Backups act as a safety net. Whether it's due to hardware failure, a virus attack, accidental deletion, or theft, having a backup means you can recover your lost data. It's like having an insurance policy for your digital life. Now, let's talk about restore. Restoring is the process of using your backup to recover your data onto your device or a new device. It's like turning back time to the moment when you created the backup. All your files, settings, and apps can be brought back to life, exactly as they were. The restore process is crucial after data loss or when moving to a new device, ensuring you can pick up right where you left off without skipping a beat. Creating a backup and restoring from it might sound complicated, but it's quite simple. Most devices have built-in tools to help you with this. For instance, smartphones often have cloud backup services, like iCloud for iPhones or Google Drive for Android devices. Computers may use external drives or cloud services as well. The steps generally involve selecting what you want to back up, choosing where to save it, and then letting the device do its work. Restoring involves selecting your backup source and allowing the device to replace the current data with the data from the backup. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of backup and restore processes in protecting your digital information. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Regular backups can save you from unexpected data loss and give you peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more useful terms and concepts in the future. Stay safe and keep learning.